talagang may dugong Pinoy ka, eh di dapat matuto kang makisama. Kaya yan, tugayin mo.
Koy, ano ka ba? Don't mind him. He's just drunk. You can just leave na.
No, I'm not leaving. It's very disrespectful to ignore a very hospitable gesture. Marunong ako makisama.
Yun ang isubo ka doon. Dapat kumain.
Sabay ko na to. Nangiinom.
Gusto mo, bigyan mo lemon. Baka gusto tequila eh.
Tagay!
Ay!
Tagay! Tagay!
Tagay! Tagay!
Wow.
Ginawa mo yun? Oo, syempre, no? Wow! 2 beses.
This is really good, but I can make this ginuman better. Do you have pineapple juice?
Creeping pineapple juice daw.
Naman. Neng! Neng! Meron ako. Ay, bayaran ako mamaya, Here. Grapes and pineapple.
Okay, thank you.
Pika-pika na naman.
Hayaan mo naman na. Minsan lang ako makakita ng Koreanong nagtatagalog na nagtitimpla ng gin sa kanto. Naman na, pa-experience naman sa glit. Many.
Wow.
Finish. This drink is called hagwe. Inspired by a Korean word that means destruction.
Guys, can you stop questioning me whenever I ask for more? Because, like, cheers. Yeah, cheers. Everybody. Cheers.
This is so strong, and it may destroy you.
There you go. Now we can have fun. Let's go.
Ang tapang.
Ay, ang sarap. Sarap. Sarap.
You know, I like you, bro. My heart belongs to someone else.
Lasing ka na, Gina.
My heart belongs to him.
Yes. You know, Migoy,
Hi, bro.
is our chicken. Is our manok. Yun. So,
My friend. Okay, if this is your specialty, okay, fine. You win. So, to be fair, I have to challenge you to my specialty.
Oh, what's yours?
Dancing.
Ay,
Let's go!
beat yo!
Now you.
Get two!
Your turn.
Okay, at this one, I accept defeat.
Yes!
Ay, may baka ka daw?
Hey, talo siya. Panalo tayo, uy. Ang galing.